So this is the Kid Steer, the steerable utility vehicle for the kids. So I had a go-kart with no working motor and a lawn tractor. It's a Case Ingersoll 222 with no working engine, but I did have the batteries and I did have the Netgain Warp 9 from a truck project, which is overkill for this purpose, but it's fun. So I like this one. Is much more quiet than the Craftsman I had. All lawnmowers, or the old garden tractors that I've seen, have the 1.25" drive shaft onto. This has a hydraulic pump. The Craftsman GTV 16, I think it was, or GTV 18, that one had a pulley and belt system, but this is pure hydraulic drive. I sit on the hood when pushing the kids, and they get to steer and practice steering, so teaching them about that, something a bit more powerful than a Power Wheels. And I have full directional control, as in forward and reverse, throttle. So they have a good time. I have a good time teaching them, so it's working out. So the hydraulic reservoir is charged. The hydraulic pump is connected to the electric motor, and the drive system is all hydraulic. So the electric motor will drive the hydraulic pump, and this will allow for both the rear axle to operate as well as the hydraulic lift. The hydraulic lift for the deck, and you can also get an attachment that runs the rear lift as well. So that's it. That's the Kid Steer project. Yet more I could do. I need to tighten up the wires and get a little more consistent. I could, because I ride on the hood right now, I could put a seat up here. It's a steel hood, so plenty of rigidity there.